The pool vacuum rolls, and Renee runs. Are you scared of that vacuum?
Yes, I am. Suck that motherfucker out of you.
There it goes. Look it. There it goes. Oh. Oh, it's coming. It's floating. It's flying, Renee. And it stopped. It turned itself off.
Are you fucking serious?
No, now it's turning around to get you. Oh shit, it's gonna squirt. Run!
Is it really?
Yeah, you might want to get your tablet. That thing sprays.
Oh, man.
It's gonna spray. I see it coming up. It's coming. And now it's going towards your tablet. Shit, run, Renee! It's it's coming after you. Shit, it is chasing you. Now it turned around.
This little thing right here on the
She's scared of the pool vacuum.
It's a vacuum pool. Look at that. Can you see it?
No, she's scared of.